You're not lazy. You're just distracted. And that's exactly how the world wants you to be. The hidden trap, they don't want you focused. Because when you're focused, you become dangerous. You start building, you start improving, and you stop consuming their distractions. The comfort zone lie, you tell yourself you'll start tomorrow. But tomorrow never comes. The comfort you feel right now is the same comfort that's killing your potential. The cost of distraction. Every minute you scroll, someone else is training. Every night you waste, someone else is building. And when you finally wake up, you'll realize they're years ahead, and you're just starting. The pain of discipline. Discipline isn't easy, but neither is regret. So choose your pain wisely, because one leads to growth, and the other keeps you stuck forever. Rewiring the mind starts small. Wake up earlier. Read something useful. Move your body. Do one thing today that your future self will thank you for. The enemy within, your biggest enemy, isn't out there. It's the voice in your head that says, "I'll do it later." Silence it. Every time you ignore that voice, you win. The power of focus. You don't need more motivation. You need less distraction. Lock in. When you focus on one thing long enough, it starts to grow beyond what you thought was possible. The truth about success. Success isn't about luck. It's about consistency. While others chase shortcuts, you build foundations. And that's why they'll fade while you'll last. The turning point. There comes a moment when you're tired. Tired of wasting time. Tired of starting over. That's when change begins. Because discipline is born the day you say, enough. The isolation phase. You'll lose friends. You'll feel misunderstood. But that's part of elevation. Isolation comes before transformation. The payoff. Months from now, you'll look back and thank yourself. Not because it was easy, but because you didn't quit when no one was watching. The legacy mindset. You're not just building for today. You're building for every version of you that wanted to give up. You're creating a life that'll inspire others to keep going. You're not lazy. You're just waking up. Subscribe if you want you level up. We're just getting started.